It's birthday time and this is Chef Tatong and today gagawa tayo ng birthday pancit recipe para sa inyo. Ready na ba kayo magluto? Let's get cooking!
Simpol, simpol, luto na, ha, ha.
This recipe is part of the Simpol Cookbook series and alam namin araw-araw may nagbo-birthday sa inyo. Kaya gagawa tayo ng birthday pancit na very classic sa mga Chinese restaurants. Ano yung distinct sa kanya? Ay may kwek-kwek siya sa taas. So, fried quail egg. So, uunahin natin yung ating quail egg. So, meron ako itong a mixture of flour and cornstarch. And cornstarch. Salt, pepper, and water. Yan. So we make like a very light batter. Yan. Just mix our water. Yan. Mix it. And to give it a nice orange color, we're using annatto oil. So this is around a tablespoon of annatto oil. Yan. Just para makuha natin yung color na orange. Yan. And we have some quail eggs here, around a dozen quail eggs. And I will just roll it in flour. Yan. No, dredge natin in flour para kumapit yung ating batter. And drop our quail eggs into our orange batter. Yan. And immediately, when our oil is hot, we just roll our, quail eggs in the batter and drop into the hot oil. Yan, pa isa-isa. Make sure na hindi siya magkadikit. So, ito yung magiging garnish natin sa ating birthday pancit. And let's put our kwek-kwek aside for garnish later. Very nice orange balls. And now we have our water that's boiling. And we just season it with a little salt. So this is Chinese restaurant style. As soon as our noodles are cooked, we drain it and put it into our serving plate. So ito siya. Is different from our usual pancit canton kasi ito siya Chinese style, ala Chinese restaurant yung gagawin natin. So after blanching my noodles, I will just simply marinate my pork with a tablespoon of soy sauce and a tablespoon of cornstarch. And put it aside as I will blanch my vegetables. I will also blanch my chicharo. Here, beautiful. So, why am I blanching my vegetables? Because I want my vegetables to retain its color. Kasi pag ginigisa ko to, mas madaling mawala yung kulay niya. Lastly, I will add my cabbage. Blanch it very briefly. As soon as it's tender, just remove it from our wok, let it drip, and arrange it over our noodles. And now we will begin to saute. So this noodle is very saucy. So what we do, add some oil into our pan and we begin to saute. We start with our garlic. Saute our garlic, our onions. We add our marinated pork, our shiitake mushrooms, and our squid balls, if you want to use squid balls, or kikiam, okay. Our chicken livers, and our seafood. So what we have here is we have some squid and shrimp. And we add some chicken stock or water, but in this case, I use water with a little bit of Wow Sarap all-purpose seasoning. Yan. And I add a tablespoon of dato puti oyster sauce for a little bit of color and umami. And I will also dilute a little bit of cornstarch in water. Yan. I'm making a slurry. Add it. Allow it to cook. Let the sauce thicken a bit. Finish with a little bit of pepper. Just to bring out the flavors a bit more. Sesame oil. Yan. And look at that. We don't want to overcook our seafood. And as soon as our sauce is thickened, here, we get our plate of noodles and vegetables, and we just pour our sauce over. Look at that. And of course, we top it with our quail eggs to give us an authentic birthday pancit experience. Yan. Look at that, guys. Something your family will surely enjoy. Sobrang sarap. It goes well with a lot of our recipes here on Simpol. So here is our version of Birthday Pancit Canton. Happy birthday to you! And tandaan nyo, kahit sino kaya magluto, basta simple! Mga ka-simple, remember, loving is sharing. Kaya share this video and like nyo na rin. Kain muna ako. Bye!